My friends, I'm back once again. I am here on Eaton Canyon Trail. Eaton Canyon Trail is an easily accessible trail within the Eaton Canyon Natural Area Park, a 190-acre nature preserve situated at the base of the San Gabriel Mountains. The trail offers an enjoyable hike or ride through oak forest and riparian woodlands. Dozen guided tours are also provided from Eaton Canyon Nature Center, but that Canyon Center is closed at 5 o'clock and I'm already late. We'll check this park if it's good enough. Let's start our walk. We need to read all the notification here in the park. Danger, extreme fire hazard area, no open fire, no smoking. Brush clearance deadline. But you know, my friends, look at the sky. It's very cloudy, but it's so humid. Will rain, but I'm not sure. Let's check out this area, my friend. And I cannot go there all the way to the end. It's already past 5 o'clock and we have to walk here. Man, a lot of dry bushes already, dry vegetation. This is the first time I went to this end, and let's see how far I can go, because the park will close, the parking lot will close at 7. So let's go. I hope it's not dangerous here to walk by yourself. I'll just walk home. There's a lot of nice houses hidden in the hills here. Old oak tree. I think this got burned for a long time because the oak is not really big. Oh, there's some people probably going some unlike a small river bed. It calls a river during the storm, but if there's no storm, there's no water. Transmission line across the mountain. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, this is a very high mountain, San Gabriel Mountain. It looks like people are going down now. Green vegetation in the corner. That's an oak tree, old oak tree. Oh, there's also a trail here at the top. Yes. Maybe I'll take another trail on the top. Let's see, some notification here. Maybe. Nature Center. Oh, motor vehicles on trails not allowed. Oh, so this is going to the restroom. So maybe I'll just continue walking here while I still have time. And, there's no way I'm gonna stay here for too long. It's getting darker. Look at the sky, my friends. It's really rain tonight probably. That's the forecast, but I don't know. You know, there's like a flash flood notification. Man, I didn't see each other. It looked like there's somebody. I heard voices from the other side, but maybe they're just taking some shortcuts. Being prohibited, smoke free in the park. So if you're a smoker, respect. You need to respect. Oh, there's some trail here. Oh yes. Ooh. Old oak tree. Yes. All right. So I'm a little in the inner side. There's a little bit of trees here, but not much. So I'm facing the sun right now. A lot of old trees here. I'm trying to avoid taking other people's video because they might get mad, so might as well I'll just have to face on the other side. Hi, what time is the parking lot close?
I think it closes at 6 or 7, I'm not sure.
Okay. Yeah. But I know the nature center closed at 5, so doesn't. Oh man, next time. All right, thanks. Enjoy. So I think this was burned last time, or maybe it's an old vegetation. Look at the cactus. It died itself, and I can see in the top there's some houses there, but we are against the light, so I think this is it. Oh, this is the oak, and this is, I forgot the name, where the squirrel like to eat this, the fruit. There's no sun, but it's so humid. Look at the sky. It looks like it will rain really. I said, I hear it in the radio that it will be raining in thunderstorm and lightning in the mountain. So, what can you do? So please join with me watching this video while I'm walking here in the nature park. This is a good nature park, but I came in so late and I'm a little bit scared because it might rain and will drop it hard. So I'm gonna take a walk, only a short walk. I have to go back to the parking lot because they might closing. First thing I'm seeing here, it looks like it's a bird and enjoying to eat cyrano. But I hear some birds sound on top of the tree. Oh, there's some birds. So let them eat. There is some of the big trees. Maybe this is more than 50 years old. Look at this. Nobody's touching it. The bark is just feeling away. And look at this. A lot of branches was cut off probably during windy time or stormy season. And I know I have a friend that fly away. Oh, he has something. Look like he got something he's eating. So this is a nice place to walk, just to have a little bit of stretching, exercising. Rubber bed with a lot of rocks. Normally, if there's a big storm, there's water here, it look like, but that only happen if there is rain, or really a strong rain. But since it's droughty here in California, look at the grass, the small plants. It look like just fire just passed by, but no, these plants die off because there's no water here. They're dependent on the moisture and there's not much moisture in the air. So that's the reason why even the tree here, small bushes in the middle, they're dying too because they don't have water at all. So maybe I'm gonna go and look for a good spot. Maybe over there. Don't bother the wildlife. They have their own life. Oh, there's a trail here too, but it looks like it's an old trail. Might as well. There's a big transmission tower in the top. There's a transmission line crossing the mountain. Mike Santos, shout out. I hope someday we can walk together here all the way to the top, San Gabriel Mountain. I am just by myself here. Look at that, a beautiful area. On the bottom side it's all green, but if you look underneath these trees, a lot of bushes and the small plants are dying because there's no water. Even at the top of the mountain, grass died off. So everybody watching for the storm that will arrive tonight. But I hope it will not drop here in this mountain. I heard last week there's flooding in the Las Vegas itself because of what's that? Because of the storm that they don't expect it. A lot of casino got affected. There's water inside the casino itself. So maybe I have to pack up now and drive home. Oh yes, wild plants that are dying because of no water on the river. California is in big trouble right now. Some of the area you might be cited if you use water. If you use water too much. So I can use this trail on the top. It says Nature Center. I'm going to the restroom. So we'll stop for a moment and we'll be right back. I'm done with my short hike and I'm very sorry I seldom post my video because of the work that I'm doing every day. But anyway, I'm back and normally I post a video during the you just watch my video and my YouTube channel. Thank you again.